Most people cut this wrong, and it rots. But here's how to turn one monkey tail cactus piece into several plants. This is one of the easiest cacti to propagate if you don't skip this one step. Start with a healthy stem. You want to look for thick, firm growth, not thin or shriveled. You want to start with a healthy piece. I like a cutting that's 6 to 12 inches. So take a look at your plant and get the best, healthiest pieces to cut. And use clean, sharp shears or scissors. And if you're not sure if your shears are clean, you can clean them with some rubbing alcohol before you cut. That clean cut makes all the difference on how healthy this plant is going to turn out to be. So make sure you don't skip that step. And this is where people mess up. Do not plant this yet. It's not ready. These need to dry and callus over or they will rot. Leave it in a dry, shaded spot for 5 to 10 days. Let that end callus over before you plant it in soil. Once it's calloused, use a fast draining cactus soil mix. Stay away from any soil mixes that have too much peat moss and water retention capabilities because you don't want this soil to be soggy, not for cactus and succulents. So think on the dry side when it comes to the soil that you choose. You can lay these pieces directly on the soil flat like this and it will root. So this is an option. Or you can just gently insert it into the soil and just firm the soil around it. Not too tight, but just enough so that the cactus is not going to fall over while it's rooting in the soil. So pack that soil in firmly around the column on every side until it's all firm and not wobbling around. You just want to ensure that it stays upright while it's rooting. And don't water it yet. Wait about a week before you water it for the first time. And keep it in bright shade while it's rooting. Too much sun or water right now is the easiest way to lose it. You'll start to see roots in 2 to 4 weeks. Yep, that fast. And once it roots, it really starts to grow fast and really takes off. And before you know it, you're going to have little growths all around it. It's an exciting time to watch your monkey tail cactus grow. And they become quite beautiful plants. With long strands, you can put them in the pot, even in the ground. And yeah, they flower too. They have beautiful flowers. I can't tell you how many times I get people visit the garden and they always enjoy seeing the monkey tail cactus. They're definitely a conversation piece. So the biggest mistakes. Planting a fresh cutting. You need to wait and let the ends dry. Don't plant, and definitely don't plant in wet soil. You want dry soil to start. Very important. And very important, don't overwater. Don't overwater your fresh cuttings. Don't overwater the cuttings that have rooted or your established plants. And soggy soil is a big no-no, so use dry soil. And for heaven's sakes, don't put your fresh cuttings in the full sun. You want dry shade. Get this one right the first time and you'll never have to buy another. One plant can turn into dozens. And who doesn't need more plants, right? Monkey tail cactus are one of the funnest, interesting plants that you can have in your garden.
Let me know, would you propagate this or would you keep it as one big statement in the garden? Drop a comment below and let me know. I love to hear from you. And listen, hit that notification button and subscribe, and we'll see you in an upcoming video soon.